Hi guys! In this video, I'm gonna show you the feasible ways to restore iPhone data. First, we have Power Rescue. To use this, go to its official site and click download to get the installer of the program. Run the file and proceed with the installation process. Next, launch the app and connect your iPhone with the lightning cable. Upon connecting your device, you can mark Select All to scan all the file types on your iPhone or just choose a specific file type. Press on the Start Scan button afterwards to analyze the data on your device. Next, drop down Filter and choose Only Show Deleted. Select the files you want to restore and click Recover to Computer. Finally, you already have your files on your PC. Another feasible way to recover your data is by using Ease Us. First, download the app on your computer and connect your iOS device through a lightning cable. Then, choose Recover from iOS device and select your iPhone from the options. After that, click Scan to start the searching process. Once the scanning is done, you will see a preview of the files you can restore. From here, you can select your data, then press Recover to save a copy on your computer. And those are the ways you can use to restore data from iPhone. Thank you for watching!